Assalamu alaikum everybody. So after a long time, I've decided to be more active on YouTube. So this is the video that I'm going to present today. And in this video, we're going to go into detail about how to stake CRO tokens on crypto.com. And there is an absolute new app that I found for staking of CRO tokens in which you can earn up to 12.89% in CRO staking rewards. So let's get into it and find out how we can do it. So first, let's get into this website called crypto.com/US earn. Here you can earn passive income with staking. They're advertising that you can earn up to 14.5% on your crypto, up to 12.12% per annum for stable coins. And when you go down, it's offering you 8.5% for Bitcoin. For Ethereum, it's the same. For USDC, it's 14%. Uh, and they have an extensive number of supporter tokens, more than 40 plus cryptocurrencies and stable coins available. It shows you an amazing formula where you can deposit some CRO token. CRO is a native token for crypto.com. If you deposit $5,000 and deposit term is 3 months, is going to tell you how much you can earn. You can earn up to $300 per year paid in CRO, which is about 6% per annum, and rewards are paid weekly, which is $5.77. And if you come down again, you can select the term for 3 months. CRO stake for if you want to stake $400 or less, it's offering you 6% here. I'm not interested in any other crypto projects. All I'm interested in CRO token, which is 6%. I don't want to earn 6%. I want to earn more than that. So let's say if I invest $4,000, it doesn't change, still the same 6%. And if I invest $40,000 or more, still the same 6%. I'm not happy with that. So there's another website that I found to compare cards. So what happens is you can open any of the debit cards from crypto.com, and they're offering multiple perks. For example, this is the lowest card that you can get, Midnight Blue. You do not have to stake any of the money in it, and you can earn reward up to 1%. With Ruby Steel, you can see all the details and perks down below by going to this website. Ruby Steel is offering you 2%. I have personally got a Jade Green card, which required me to deposit $4,000, and look at the CRO rewards, 3%. It's nothing. But the good thing about this green CRO card is I'm getting my Spotify 100% off and my Netflix 100% off. So what happens is you have to connect your debit card with your account on Spotify and Netflix. As soon as the payment is deducted from your debit card, you get paid in CRO tokens for the amount that they charge. So it's a great way to get these services for free. This is my phone screen that I'm sharing on my desktop. So you can see that this card is offering me a lot of perks. The best thing that I can see here is that I'm getting 100% back in Spotify and Netflix, 3% back on card spend. So whatever you spend, you get 3% cash back. This is why I have been using this debit card for the past 2 months. And then you get 10% CRO stake rewards. But this stake rewards, 10%, you're only getting it for the first 3 months. After the 3 months period is over, you get the same reward that I shown you in the previous screen. Get free airport lounge as well. And this is pretty good. There's no monthly charge, there's no annual fee, and there's no delivery fee. Uh, so definitely check it out. I'm going to post a link down below in the description where you'll be able to sign up for this credit card, and you and me both are going to get $25 for affiliate. So definitely check that out. So you could see the price of CRO almost 2 months ago when I posted it on my Patreon. It was close to 23 cents, and look at how much it has grown since then. And even now, my $4,000 investment has grown to about $10,225. So this is not bad investment at all. Plus, if you look down, these are some of the rewards that I've been getting since the time I've been using it. It's all free money, and I love getting this passive income since it's building up my portfolio in CRO tokens as well. And this, you could see that is my referral code here. More than 5 people have already signed up. Not 5 people. Total referred is 10 friends. So I've earned about $250 referring, and this is the same referral code that I'm going to put down below in the video link. So more people can sign up and they can also get $25 and I'll also get the same. And those of you who wants to know if this is Sharia compliant or not, you can read this article right here, which is health.crypto.com. I'm going to put a link of this article below in the description as well. In this article, you can see that all about crypto.com CRO staking on DeFi earned. So this is a proof of stake blockchain network, and CRO staking for everyday users enabled via dedicated proof of stake. So proof of stake means you are locking up your coins in order to strengthen the network, and whatever fees are generated, it's shared between the delegators, which is you and me and all the common people that are staking their CRO tokens. And users can delegate their native CRO tokens to a trusted validator. Validators run nodes to validate transaction on the crypto.org chain network and in return earn block rewards in CRO. So you can see that these CRO tokens are earned by not giving this as a loan. You're not earning any interest. You are getting the fees that are being generated, and that fee is your earning, which is then distributed to the delegates of taking validator commission. So you can read all the details about it here, and this is why this is Sharia compliant, because it has nothing to do with any of earning which is done by lending your tokens. And not many people know about the DeFi wallet that is being offered by crypto.com. This DeFi wallet is one of the best wallet that I've seen so far. It's so much easier to use. And what happens is if you generate any of the CRO token rewards, let's say you got a credit card for a debit card for $4,000, and every week they're sending you DeFi, they're sending you CRO tokens. How do you make sure that you are putting those tokens to work as well? So I'm going to show you how the DeFi wallet works, and this is something that you can download as well. The good thing about this DeFi wallet is it's a non-custodial wallet that gives you access to a full suite of DeFi services in one place, which means you control your private keys and you are responsible for the wallet. Crypto.com or DeFi wallet, these guys do not store your private keys. You store your private key means you are the owner of your crypto assets. They have given the link to download it both on App Store as well as Google Play Store. And the good thing is that you can manage more than 100 plus coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other ERC tokens. You can set up a word recovery phrase, which is consisting of minimum 12 words, 18 words, or 24 words. So now I'm going to show you how I can transfer my CRO tokens from my crypto.com app to DeFi wallet. So you could see that in this app itself, it shows me the CRO tokens, which is 24 tokens that I got recently. As you could see below, my Netflix subscription gave me 24 CRO tokens. Now these CRO tokens are not making me more CRO tokens. So I want to make sure that I'm putting these extra 24 CRO token that I've earned in order to make more passive income. So my CRO stake is 17,500 CRO token, which is equivalent to $10,041. These ones are locked, and I can unstake them in the next 116 days. So I cannot play with them, but I can play with the 24 CRO token. So how am I going to do that? Let me show you. So this is my iPhone screen. You could see that I have managed, arranged all the apps. Um, Here you could see I have a crypto.com app as well as DeFi Wallet app. DeFi Wallet app you can download, follow the procedure, and set it up. So I'm going to open this DeFi Wallet app. Let's open it. Okay, this is the interface of this app looks like, and this $478, these are all the CRO tokens that I've been staking. So you could see there I do not have any other assets down below except crypto.com coin. So when I click on this crypto.com coin here, uh, as you could see here, let's go into that. Down below, you could see on Friday I have been staking 37 CROs, and then again on 29th of December I'm staking 45 CROs. So the good thing is that whenever I have any extra money that I'm generating in terms of CRO tokens, I quickly bring them to DeFi wallet and start staking them. So this is an amazing way to grow your money while you sleep. And then let me show you the earn feature here. Where, there you can see it. Let me go to the earn feature. Now, earn feature, you could see easily uh, that my CRO tokens have been working. There is an earning potential of almost minimum 11.96% to maximum 12.59%. Now, let's click on this CRO here and see what happens. So let's go inside. You could see that, I've been staking 443 CROs for 12.59% with this validator, which is Neptune. And if you go down below again, um, there is Team Thrive. I'm staking 220 CRO tokens, and you could see the reward balance that I've earned so far. And there's Virtuoso, 80 CRO tokens. M. Jolnir is 39 CRO tokens. Staking is 35 CRO tokens. So this is an amazing way to earn passive income. Now I'm going to transfer my tokens on from crypto.com. So let me go back again to crypto.com. Here I have 24 CRO tokens. Now I need to transfer these CRO tokens to DeFi Wallet. So what I'm going to do is I'll come all the way to the top where it says buy CRO, sell CRO, and then transfer. I'll click on transfer, and it's asking me how do you want to transfer. I have been given two options: deposit or withdraw. I'll click on withdraw, and it's giving me option to withdraw my CRO tokens to a crypto.com users or crypto.com DeFi wallet. I'm going to select the DeFi wallet, and I'm going to select CRO. In CRO, as you could see down here, that I have maximum 24 CRO tokens that I can stake. So I'll select that max amount here. This is equal to about $14. And make sure that you're selecting the network to be CRO. Don't select any other network. CRO token should be automatically selected. And then don't fill any information here for optional. Just simply hit withdraw. Let's click on withdraw. It's giving me the option that I'm sending 24 CRO tokens from CRO wallet to um, this is my connected DeFi wallet address. My network type is CRO chain. There's only a minimum fee of 0.001 CRO, which is very negligible. The total amount of CROs transferred is 24.09. And I hit confirm. I've secured my account with a lot of authentications. So let me pause the video and come back with the 6-digit code. So I got the code. Um, Continue. And let's see what happens. Wow. Withdraw request done. Your CRO withdrawal request has been submitted. Isn't it amazing? Tap anywhere to continue. So you could see now my 17,529 tokens is reduced to 17,500. And if I go down, it shows me that my CRO tokens, 24 tokens, is in pending state. So this is the pending state, and it takes less than 5 minutes before it gets deposited to my DeFi wallet. Okay, it took me almost 2 minutes, and now you could see that it shows completed. Withdraw CRO 24 completed. I click on this again, and it shows me on the top here, January 1st, 2022 at 11:08 p.m. It's completed. So now I can go back to DeFi wallet to see these tokens. Let's go there now. So I come back to my DeFi wallet, and I enter my password, and you could see that my crypto.com on the top right here, it shows 24.21 CRO tokens available. Now these tokens are not earning me more tokens. How do I put them to work? So let's go into crypto.com, and here it's going to show me January 1st 24.09 CRO tokens. I just received it. Now I want to make sure that they're working for staking purpose. So I go back, I click on earn in the top right corner, and here I click on this CRO option right here. I click there, and these are my other token that are already working. On the bottom where it says earn more, I'm going to click there now. and here I can stake extra amount. So come down here where it says maximum amount, click there and hit proceed. It shows me 25 CRO token that I just received from my crypto.com wallet to my DeFi wallet. The amount is shown as $14. It shows me my annual earning. This is an estimation that excuse me, my annual earning is going to be 3.17. So let's take this 25 CRO tokens here. This is a very important step. So look at this. Um, it's recommended to select a validator that has greater than 98% uptime for staking rewards, performance, and less than 7% voting power to keep the staking pool decentralized. So all you need to do is validator has to be more than 98% for the uptime and less than 7% for voting. The first option that you could see here is not a good option because they have less than 7% right here. You could see there 0.07. I'm not going to select that. The other validators as well that is making you earn $11.3, 11.3%, and then I'm going to select the maximum amount of return. So uh, this one, King Staker, is giving you 12.21%. Let's see if I can find something better than that. Community, this guy is 12.46, not bad. Uh, Virtuoso is 12.59. So far, Team Thrive is also giving me 12.59. So which one I'm going to select? Let's select the first one there, which is Virtuoso, which is greater than 99. It's 99% here, 0.12% there. So it's good enough. So let me select Virtuoso, confirm validator. Down here, I'm going to confirm, and it's going to show me that my staking amount is 25 CRO tokens. There's no commission. Confirm stake. So I click on confirm stake, and again, it's also asking me for 6-digit verification code so that the hackers do not hack me. Let me enter that code and come back. So this code gets changed after every 30 seconds, so I have no problem showing it on the screen. Uh, Request submitted. Your request to stake 25 CRO is pending. Boom. Now let's see if this request gets processed, how much time it's going to take. Normally it takes less than 5 minutes because it takes time for your staking amount to be validated by this validator. Less than 5 minutes, I would say. So let's wait for 5 minutes and come back and see what happens. So I'm checking this delegation to be valid on the Explorer or not. The summary shows status is checked. So 2 minutes ago, it just took less than 2 minutes to be delegated. So there we go. It's amazingly, seemingly like I don't have words to express, but it was very easy to delegate these tokens to work. So passive income is there now, and while you're sleeping, your CR tokens is making you more money. And to sum up this video now, you could see that from past 2 months, I have earned more than 847 CRO tokens, which is equal to about $500. It's not much in the short run, but when you think of long term, like 2 years now from now or 3 years from now, this money is keep on going to grow, and you are making money while you're sleeping. So you are putting your money to work, which is what Warren Buffett says, and this is what I follow. In order to have financial freedom, you need to make sure that your money is working for you. So that's all for today. I haven't edited this video. I did not even have time to edit this video. I have been using the pause option of this OBS platform and pausing and playing this video. So I hope I was right to the point. I did not waste anybody's time. And if you like this video and you want me to create more videos like that in the future, make sure to like and subscribe. I do not even have time to create those icons where you can put it in, but in the future, of course, I'm going to do that. I definitely love your support. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments if the video instructions were easy enough and if I need to improve any aspect of these videos for YouTube in the future. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys around.